Greetings to you and welcome to part 3 of our basic Shona phrases series. Today I just picked some basic words, simple words in Shona that are single word statements or sentences. These words are used in daily Shona conversation and they are complete statements on their own. So if you want to learn a quick Shona sentence, this is the place to be. The first word I have for you is yes. How do you say yes in Shona? The word is hongu. Hongu. If it's a no, you say aiwa, aiwa, or kwete. Aiwa or kwete. Congratulations. You say Makorokoto. Makorokoto. Thank you. Ndinotenda or Tatenda. Ndinotenda or Tatenda. Excuse me. You say pamsoroi. Pamsoroi. Please is ndapota. Ndapota. Look is hona. Hona. Listen up. You say terera. Terera. Shut up. It's nyarara. Nyarara. Maybe it's pamwe. Pamwe. Nothing. If you want to say nothing, you just say hapana. Hapana. Be careful or beware. You say changera. Changera. Repeat. You say zokorora. Like when you're talking to someone and you want to say again. Maybe you didn't hear them well. You say zokorora. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson. And if you didn't get some of the words, ndapota zokorora. Until the next time, goodbye.